And I'm here to review the TECNO W4. The pack comes with a free case and film inside of it. The phone comes with a 5.0 HD IPS touchscreen. It's a beautiful case for me, and also this is the first TECNO phone with the Android Marshmallow 6.0 preloaded coming with it. So let's unbox the TECNO W4. Okay, so the TECNO W4 has been opened. Once you open the pack, you get to see the W4 neatly packed in this mini pouch. Wow, what a beautiful mobile phone! Very beautiful. It has wide camera angle, 5.0 HD IPS, and a beautification effect, which allows you to take pictures and beautify it, and also the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So let's see what other things it comes with. Wow, such a stylish pack, believe me, trust me if you ask me. So you have the pouch here on the phone. You have the charger. You have and you also have the earpiece to the phone. This for me is a beautiful earpiece. So when you unbox the TECNO W4, what you have is you have the smartphone, which is beautiful and is quite portable and handy with a wide camera angle feature. You have this, which is the pouch, the case, the flip case. You have the charger, and you also have the beautiful earpiece. So for those of you who go to the market to buy, ensure that you have all these in every pack of the W4, because this is what comes with the original pack. So thanks guys for watching the unboxing and the first impression. For me, this has a beautiful first impression, and the unboxing and first impression of the TECNO W4, the first TECNO phone with the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing a full review of the mobile phone very soon. I'll be uploading a video for everyone to see. Also follow me on Twitter at LADISPKAS, Ladispeaks on Twitter. I'll follow back, and we'll continue conversations on there. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.